Hello, maayong buntag, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight, good morning to all my friends near and far. This is Marilyn, your friendly Filipino carpentera here in America. At itong video na ito ay isa na namang ukay-ukay tour dito sa Amerika. So, mabibilhin ako na guys, yung log holder ba para sa fireplace. Tapos, ang ganda ng neighborhood nila. At saka, mas barato yung pagbenta niya, antik pa naman, $5 lang. Kaya, heto kami together with my husband. Nagsuroy-suroy kami sa magandang neighborhood na pinuntahan namin kanina.
That one, I believe, right over there. Not the one directly on the left, but the one.
These are new houses, right?
Yeah, they are. Not much yard though.
Well, but it's beautiful.
Not much yards.
I like this one because it's vintage
Mm.
and it is only $5. I want to tour my viewers around this neighborhood. These are so pretty, but the problem with
The yard is bigger than Well, I mean, it just depends if you don't want a yard to take care of. Or there could be they could be condos too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I don't think this is I think these are single family houses.
Did you look behind you to make sure no one was coming? You didn't.
No.
Oh my goodness. We have got to.
Okay, do you have to turn or?
Yeah. Well, I don't know where you're going, but.
We'll just tour around the neighborhood. Gosh, I'm warm.
No, it's not. It's not turned on.
We'll turn left in here, and then. So you like Noah, huh? Oh, nice houses. But yeah, the problem with these houses is that they're newly built, so it's not that sturdy anymore.
Well, they're packed, which again, they are close together.
Well, brace yourself. Our neighborhood, Hidden Valley,
not
would
like
be the
this.
same. But it's beautiful. I don't mind.
They really don't have much in the way of.
Oh, cul-de-sac daw. Oh, look at those houses ahead, straight ahead.
Yeah, this is close to the. It's nice.
I mean, these are humongous. Why would people buy houses these houses that are big? They probably have 10 children. Okay, who are these people?
Walkers. Dan says it's in the back. He put it in the back of the truck, so he still has it.
Oh.
The mesh.
Oh. Wait a minute. Can we pass through here?
You can go right. I think that ends up going. It's fine. Look at that place. What is that?
It's
a four-story house?
Huh?
The heck is this? I don't know what that is.
What? Why would you buy a house that high?
It's like apartments. It's
Oh my gosh! What is that building?
observation deck. Okay, you're in the middle of the road here.
Observation deck. Why would somebody go there? There's nothing to observe here.
I don't know. This used to be where the airport is.
Oh, yeah, Blue Ashes in the airport. I remember that day?
Yeah, I remember that.
Oh my goodness. Those were the days when I was still thin. When I get rich, Borg, I'm gonna get one of those machines. Right?
That's apartment building. That's a funny
Yeah.
Funny looking apartment buildings.
And it's too narrow but too long. Yeah, they're really close to each other.
Mm-hmm.
I like the sunroom. Do you like our next house to have a sunroom? I think it would be nice, right? Either
It would be.
sunroom or solarium. I like the solarium better because you can leave your plants growing there in the winter.
Mm-hmm.
Wait a minute, where are we?
You're just going out.
Okay.
That's fine. Just keep going. You're fine.
But I don't know where to go. Do I have to
Right.
turn? Tingnan yung sunset, guys. Ang ganda-ganda talaga. And I like the cloud formation, pero parang nakakatakot kasi parang may bagyo. My goodness, sana walang tornado. Bagyo namin dito, guys, lumilipad yung mga bahay. Hindi katulad dyan sa Philippines. Ulan lang ng ulan. Medyo mahangin din, but dito, tornado style ang bagyo namin dito. Kaya lumilipad yung mga bahay, yung mga sasakyan, yung mga baka, kabayo, no? Yeah, at saka yung mga trailers. Yan, lumilipad pag naigo kami ng tornado. At dahil gumagabi na, sabi ko sa asawa ko, hindi na ako makaluto. Otherwise, midnight tayo, hating gabi na tayo magdi-dinner. So yun, nag-decide kami punta kain sa restaurant. So ito po yung Cracker Barrel, and I like it here kasi old-fashioned yung nila. Parang nasa country ka talaga. And then, yan. Yan yung mga decors nila. And I like the exposed beams. Ang Amerikano naman itong mga pagkain nila. Biscuits. The thing is, I don't like their pancakes here because it's not like IHOP. Wala bang isda dito? Excuse me. Thank you. Oh gosh. What's this? Do you like this one, boy?
I've already grilled chicken.
I think I will get the same. Or how about this? I need to take it easy on my proteins because my kidneys are acting up.
Because your what?
Kidneys are acting up.
Sorry,
Hi.
wait, my name's Koda. Can I get you started with any drinks?
Water for me. How about
Sure.
you?
Do you have Dr. Pepper?
No
We
Coke.
Okay, Dr. Pepper's fine.
Coke and water for me.
Coke and water and a Dr. Pepper?
Yes.
Did we want to start off with any appetizers?
No, I think we're ready to order.
Alrighty, what can I do?
I will get this one.
Southern fried chicken?
Yeah, all thighs, please.
All fries?
And then mashed potato and green beans.
So, southern fried chicken, mashed potatoes, green beans.
And then biscuits. Thank you. Ito yung pagkain ko. Very unhealthy. Parang mas gusto ko yung kanya. Yan guys, punta ako sa restroom nila. Oh my dear. Poor dearie. Your restroom is...
To the left, under like a stop sign.
Okay, thank you. Alright. Ooh. But before that, ito yung ano nila, restroom. But before that, magsuroy-suroy muna ako. Problem with this area is, with this store is, their clothes are expensive. Mahal yung, oh, I like this. Teka lang. Ano? Kaya lang, ayoko ng ganyan. Nope. Kailangan ko ng attire papuntang Hawaii. Pero, yung mura-mura lang. Para naman panggulang itong mga attire nila. Pagulang na nga tayo. Pinapagulang pa tayo. No. Ito naman kasi ang sister-in-law ko. Sa burial ng brother ko, sabi niya, Hawaiian attire daw. Bakit mag-Hawaiian? Ay, naku. Parang wala talaga akong nakita na babagay sa aking napakataba na katawan. This one is nice, but it's large. Wala bang medium dyan? Oh my gosh. Taba ako, but hindi naman kasing taba nito. But I like this one kasi parang kasya yan sa akin. Yung type ng cut ng dress. Pero tingnan natin yung price kasi alam nyo naman, pag wala tayong pera, isip-isip din bago bilhin ng mga damit. Kasi may mga stores dito na mura lang yung nila. You think this is Hawaiian? Ay, Hawaiian. Bakit ka pa nagpa-Hawaiian? Wala talaga eh. Ito. Parang, yeah. Ooh. Yep, this is very Hawaiian. Ooh, but it's XL. I am looking for a medium or at least large. My gosh, they're so big. Oh, large. My goodness, guys, ang mahal. $44. Yan yung Hawaiian, oh. But $44, parang nakakatakot bilhin. I'm gonna ask my husband kung okay lang sa kanya kasi sayang yung pera. Padala ko na lang sa Pilipinas. But yeah, it's Hawaiian. Oh my gosh, mahal. It's $45 plus tax. Ako, nasa $50 siya. I don't know. Ay, ang cute ng bag. Look. About $34. Parang Hawaiian din siya. Oh my gosh. Somebody stop me. My pink. Mahal kasi. Pero this is very Hawaiian looking. Tingnan natin. How about you? How much are you? She's $50. Samantalang may $13 lang doon sa ano, sa isang store na pinuntahan namin. Pass muna ako siguro. But ito talaga, bakit naman kasi pinapa-uniform pa kami? Yan oh. Hawaiian kasi gumamela yung ano, yung Hawaiian flower nila. Yan. But then, magtatahi na lang ako ng sarili kong magtatahi na lang ako sarili kong damit. Problema, hindi ako marunong magtahi. Okay.